neck pain, jaw pain, and headaches. Often there is inflammation in our head. We wake up in the morning, our eyes are puffy, we feel puffy, and we do all sorts of things to get ourselves ready to face the day. There's one powerful tool that we can use to get that gone quickly. I like to do it in the shower. You can do it anywhere you want. It's lymphatic drainage for your face and neck, and we're going to use a tool to scrape the muscles. Scrape sounds scary. It's not scary. You're simply using a tool instead of your hand to work through the muscles to get relief from the tension that you store on the forehead, around the top of your ears, and the base of your skull and top of your neck. Those are the main tension areas in your head that cause jaw pain, headaches, tension, and inflammation. So we're going to start with clearing some inflammation. You have the greater thoracic duct that comes down the left side of your chest. That's where all the lymph flows into to be reprocessed through your body. What is lymph? If you cut yourself and it's done bleeding and there's a clear fluid, sometimes it's yellowish, that is your lymph. We call that the garbage disposal system of your body, and it has gained popularity in recent times where it's like this miracle super healing thing to get lymphatic drainage. Yes, it helps you heal. Yes, it's amazing. Yes, it cleanses our body, but it's not a miracle, it's pure science. So to clear some inflammation in our head and neck, it'll work with morning congestion as well. We want to start by doing a couple taps right on our sternum. I like to do number 20, so I would just alternate 20 times, and then we're going to come up into the face and we're going to pull down. How much pressure am I putting on my face when I pull down? About the weight of a nickel. So that's about 5 grams. You could do 5 to 20 grams depending on how you feel, but it's very light pressure. We shouldn't be getting into the muscles at this point. It's simply skin surface contact. So if we do 20 down the sides of the face, the cheeks, then you're going to do 20 along the jawline. So I simply use my thumb, jawline. If you've ever had a cold or a sore throat and you feel that lump right there that develops right under your jaw, pops out under, that's a swollen lymph node. We have lots of lymph nodes in here. They're always working to keep you healthy. So we want to do them a favor by getting that lymph to move, and we simply do it with this light lymphatic stroke, alternating 20 times, so 10 on each side. Then we do the sides of the neck, just like that, and then we come lower collarbones coming down. And then you can end with tapping. So that will initiate your body's ability to take care of inflammation and swelling, that morning face. Then, say you're going to take a shower in the morning, get one of these tools. This is simply a IASTM tool, or a gua sha tool. The Chinese were the first with it. This is made out of an animal horn. I love it because it conducts body heat well. They have them in stainless steel, titanium, jade. There's all kinds. It doesn't really matter. You could use the back of a comb as your tool. You could use a dull butter knife as your tool. The tool doesn't matter. So what you're going to do is find your temporalis muscles, which are right over your ear. You take your hand and curve your fingers like this over your ears, and then you're going to gently press in, clench your teeth. You're going to feel the muscles working there. Those muscles, tight all day, every day, will cause a tension headache. Those muscles will cause jaw pain because they are directly working on your jaw. So you can use your fingers if you want. I prefer this tool because it just works faster. Say you're in the shower, you shampoo your hair, wash your face and head, whatever. You'll have that soap to lubricate, and you're just pulling down about the same amount of pressure as you did the lymphatic drainage to start, and you come through and you work those muscles right over the ear. Then you turn and you're going to work this area, and we're pulling down through those muscles, and you can create a grid system on your head so that you're working this section, this section, this section, this section, and this section, so you don't miss anything. Our head, our skull, has muscles in the front, the frontalis muscles. It has muscles on the side, the temporalis muscles. It has muscles across the back, linking your head, your skull, to your spine, your cervical neck, and then you have muscles on this side as well. The only area you don't have muscle is right down the middle here, and that is still connected to all these muscles through fascia or connective tissue. So the more you work on your head, this could be a 2-minute ritual, it could be a 1-minute ritual, 5 minutes, however much time you spend, you're increasing the circulation to such a degree that your whole body is able to process that inflammation, decrease the tension, decrease the pain in the jaw, reduce your headaches. People's headaches generally are going to be here on the sides or at the base of their skull. Depending on where your tension is, that's where you would put more focus, but I recommend you work it all and you do it as a routine or a ritual. And I love routines that can be linked to an activity of daily life. For me, that's in the shower. I do my neck, head, and face care in the shower, and it works amazing. I have little to no headaches at this point.